Feel uninvited.
Miniswap enables to have a connected network of DeFi ecosystems. Miniswap provides a decentralized platform for exercising the financial products. The world of crypto changed now, especially for the ERC20 tokens. Now people love to buy the DeFi tokens because they have a lot more potential even than the BTC. If I'm not wrong, I know some guys will disagree with me, but the DeFi tokens has a lot more potential, and the escrow using by DeFi is the revolution in crypto. Now in this video I will share a new hidden gem of 2020, the Miniswap. I will share with you that what is the main platform and what is the utilization of the Miniswap main platform, and also how mini token will work in that very ecosystem. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now first of all, with the help of this main post, I will tell you that how the Miniswap will work. Miniswap is an open source and interoperable platform to enable the decentralized applications, financial parameters, and a network of the ecosystems. Miniswap launched in 4 stages, and the team is considering 4 types of the users: initial supporters, traders, liquidity provider, and the mini token holder. Initial supporters are the one joining in the first stage to help the establishment of Miniswap ecology. Anyone can become a supporter by transferring the coins into the Miniswap smart contract. Here comes the Miniswap smart contract, and Miniswap platform has its own token called the Mini token. As I told you that basically Miniswap is a platform and Mini token is the main source, and also you can say the blood in the vessels of the Miniswap platform. The token can be mined in 2 main ways. If a supporter joins the Miniswap in an earlier round, for example, if you are the early bird in the Miniswap, then the price of Mini is that round is cheaper than the price in the later rounds. Secondly, Miniswap adopts the transaction fee mining model. Mini can be mined by creating a valid transaction. Each valid transaction will create a number of Mini according to the fee. Miniswap Genesis is an Ethereum based decentralized and automated trading platform. And the best news for the traders: Miniswap will launch the DeFi to communicate across distributed ledgers. This will make Miniswap a decentralized, interoperable, and automated platform for trading a vast variety of financial products provided by different ledgers. Miniswap Global will enable a network of ecosystems and allow the traders from different blockchain platforms to trade seamlessly. Now I will tell you that how you can purchase the Miniswap token, Mini token, right now directly from the Uniswap exchange. As I showed you above, that right now this token is available on the CoinMarketCap, and here you can see the entire data of this token. Now here you can see it is available in WethPair. So how you can easily purchase this token? First of all, I'm going to click on this link, and when I'm going to click on this link, here comes the main phase of the Uniswap. First of all, basically every time I admire one thing, and I'm using the MetaMask, and I always tell all the users to use the MetaMask because it's 100% safe. First of all, you have to connect your MetaMask over here, and be sure it is not like this. Okay, my MetaMask is entirely empty, and I will share the address in the description so you can even donate me something. Anyways, now after basically connecting your MetaMask over here on the Uniswap exchange, then what you have to do? Now I'm going to click the main thing. For example, I'm going to write main thing, that how I will get how I will get the Mini token. When I'm going to write over here the Mini, I didn't get any option. Now what I have to do? Now I'm going on the main contract address of the Mini token, and here comes the main contract address. Now I'm going to copy the contract address, and then at this time what I have to do, I have to paste the main contract address over here. When I'm going to click over here, I got the option of the mini token. Now I'm going to click on the add option, and when I'm going to click on the add option here, basically I get the option of main, that for example I'm going to buy it with 0.10 Ethereum, so I will get up to 634.549. and be sure one thing, that your MetaMask has some good form of Ethereum. It means that for example you have for example you want to buy with 0.10 Ethereum, so you must have at least 0.12 Ethereum in your MetaMask, because it will also take the price of the transaction. So it will be better to have some good amount of Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet before connecting to the Uniswap.exchange. Okay, now after basically clicking over here, then you can simply buy the mini token directly from the Uniswap exchange. So it is entirely very easy. As I told you, that if you didn't find the option of the mini, simply you have to do one thing: you have to copy the contract address and simply you can paste it over here, and you can easily buy the mini token. And as we all know, decentralized exchanges will boost very soon, so it's your time to grab the opportunity, and it's the DeFi hidden gem of 2020, the Miniswap token. So it's your time, because right now the price is very low, 0.064. Soonly, from my own price prediction about this token, Miniswap is about 0.75 in maximum next 1 to 2 months. So it's your time to grab this token right now. I will share the link of the main website. Secondly, I will share the link of the coin market cap, so you can easily check all the data, even the entire data of the DeFi token, a new DeFi token, Miniswap. And definitely it's my recommendation that you must have to go towards this token and you have to buy this token. Thanks a lot.